Catherine Bernardo update, and during taping ng Pilipinas Got Talent, busy si Catherine. And namataan pa si Catherine just sa hallway na It's Showtime. May picture din sila ni Miss Darla. Yan.
1, 2, 3.
Ganyan kabait si Catherine.
Go.
Yan, marami nagmamahal kay Catherine. Ito sa post ni John Barre and outfit ni Catherine for Pilipinas Got Talent and bilang judge. Yan, grabe formahan ni Catherine. Naka all white. Yan, Catherine Bernardo, Asian superstar, solid. Pinaabangan yung mga outfit niya during taping niya. Minodal pa nga ni Catherine ng kanyang outfit. Catherine Bernardo for Pilipinas Got Talent, judge. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.